Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to use Zoom on this laptop. To quickly enable Zoom, you have to use the combination of Windows and plus keys simultaneously. So just press Windows and plus keys and you will zoom in on your laptop screen. You will also see this magnifier bar, and using these plus and minus icons you can zoom in and out, and using these two icons you can reset the size of the zoom. Using this button right here you can play the text from your display or just get to know which display you're at. So it's just read the name of the first icon on the screen. Now using this icon you can select the place from which you want to start reading. Now using settings you can change the speed of the magnifier, and here you can also change the voice of the reader. You can go to settings from here and change more magnifier settings, but if you want to know how to access magnifier settings right from the start, then open the start menu, go to settings, scroll down this list and select accessibility settings right here, then go to magnifier, open this menu. Here you can enable your magnifier. You can change the zoom level and increment. You can change the zoom level by pressing plus and minus icons right here, and expand the list of the increments and select the level that you need. You can also change the view of the magnifier. So right before that you just saw the full screen magnifier. This is what it looks like. You also got duct magnifier, which looks like this, and the last magnifier is the lens magnifier, and it looks like this. And each magnifier has its own settings. So for example, duct magnifier has one settings which lets you select which elements the magnifier follows. For example, mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. And for full screen magnifier it also has the same one setting. And you can also decide whether you want to keep your mouse pointer and text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. For example, if I select center on the screen for the mouse pointer, then the magnifier will look like this. Now keeping the cursor within the edges of the screen looks like this. And the lens magnifier has the only option that lets you change the sides of the magnifier. You can change its height and width by moving these sliders, and this way you can adjust the magnifier to your needs. And that's basically all you need to know. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.